If you're using stock control on your website, there's going to come a point where a customer comes to your website and they want to buy a product, but it's going to be out of stock. What are they going to do next in that situation? Well, if it just says out of stock, the likelihood is they may well go to another website or go back onto Google, find another store, and might end up buying their complete order from somewhere completely different. So what can you do to limit the chances of that happening? Well, one great thing that you can do using RomanCart is you can make it so that automatically on your web page a link appears that says email me when back in stock. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. If you take a look at this, if you take a look at the website in front of us here, this is another one of our demo stores. This is oneshades.com. It's just it's a fabricated store just to it appears to be selling sunglasses to show some of the features from RomanCart. So if we just take a look at this special offer here. Order this pair of Gucci sunglasses today. This is 76575. This is a great price for a fantastic pair of sunglasses in stock. More info, buy now. So let's just see what happens if that product was to go out of stock. So this is 76575. We just switch to the control panel. 76575 there. If I just change that so it's out of stock. Okay, and then we go back, and if I refresh this page now. Here we are, and you'll see that it says, instead of saying in stock, it now says out of stock, and a link has appeared below it that says email me when back in stock. Now, so a customer comes onto your web page, they're interested in purchasing this special offer item, or it could be any item you've got on here, and so it's out of stock. They can email, they can set it up to be emailed when this particular product is back in stock. So what happens when I click on the link? When I click on the link, a pop-up window automatically appears. You put in your first name here, and then if we put in, and they put in the email address there, click on submit, and a message comes up saying thanks, we will email you when it is back in stock. Click on close. See, that's just that will save people the hassle of going off elsewhere to find another product, and you're less likely to lose the entire order. If there's other products they want to buy from you, the likelihood is they're going to continue to stay on your website because they know they're going to get emailed when that particular product is back in stock. So let's look at how we actually set that up. If we go on to the control panel here, and if I go into website, email me when back in stock, the information's all in here. It's really simple. So a couple of things here. You place the following code straight after the head tag on your web page. That's this code here. There's another piece of code to place before your final body tag, and that's shown there. And then where you want the message to appear, you just paste in this script here, and you replace the product where it says product 1 in there. That would be the product code for your actual product. So it's similar if you've used remote data delivery. It's kind of similar to do with that, pasting in these type of scripts. And there's some other settings you can change here. So text to display. We've obviously got it so it says email me when back in stock. You can make it say anything. And bear in mind, this is really simple. You just paste these 3 lines of code onto the page of your website, and it's just automatically done for you. All of the pop-up window and everything just will all happen automatically. And of course, you this line here, you put one of these in for every product you want that to happen with, and so you can have as many products on your page as you like doing that. And these first 2 tags here, you just paste those once onto the page as per the instructions. Now there's an edit email button here. You click on edit email, and this defines the email that's going to be received by the customer when it's back in stock. So we've got here just a basic email subject. You can use exclamation mark product, which will be replaced with the name of the product. And so here we've got product that's back in stock. When the email sent, it would say Gucci sunglasses or whatever the name of the product is now back in stock. And you can put a nice text for the message in as well. Hi, first name, product is now back in stock, thanks RomanCart team. Obviously you could put whatever you like in there, HTML, you can define it as you like. And we've got text version of the message down here as well. That's just been copied across from the HTML, but you get the picture there. So if I click on back, one other thing that I want to show you as well is if we go to the product manager, you'll now see, if we take a look down here, 76575, it shows that there's weight of 1. In other words, this shows that there's 1 person waiting for the stock to be for this item to be back in stock. And if I click on that link there, it shows you the email address of those customers that are waiting for it to be back in stock, and you can delete that email address from the list. And then on this screen here, you click on the item code, you set the new stock level, we'll put that to 100, save that, and that will trigger the email to be sent out to the people who are on the waiting list, and it will reduce the waiting list back to 0. So it's a completely automated process, and don't use this screen here for replenishing the stock. You've got to go into the actual product to do this, and select it on there and click on save, and that will ping that email out to all of those customers.